So this is how you take a screenshot on a Windows PC. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a shortcut, which is the Windows and then the Shift and then the R or the S. R is for recording and the S is for the screenshot. So now let's do that. So I just do the same thing here, this, and then this here. And you see on my screen, I have the chance to drag my mouse. So I would have to see my mouse cursor there. So I just long press like this and I drag the side I want to screenshot. So that's it. After that, I save it. Very, very simple. So I get a pop-up here at the side of the Windows. Yeah, and now you can see this option here. You can copy it or save it if you want to. So I just tap on this to save it. I give it a name to be something like K O, and then I save it at my downloads, and then I tap on enter to save it. Save that. Good. So I have it saved now. So when I move to my File Explorer here, and you can see KO here, I double tap it for the image to open. If you want to record your screen too, that's the same thing. That's the Control, Shift, and then the R. So that's it on how you take screenshots on laptops. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.